Cool trains in Montreal, and we got a stack train headed west underneath the Dorval ramps. We stopped there at the signal. It's like the third train in 15 minutes, so it's very congested on CP right now. They're really trying to get these out before the commuter trains come, before the scheduled commuter trains. You might actually sit here waiting for a couple of the commuter trains to come through, because it's past 3 now, so I'm willing to bet he's going to sit here waiting for commuter trains. That being the case, I'll probably end the video here and pick it up when he moves. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. There it is. Long stack train waiting to go.